the sleep and stress herb that thrives on neglect. Lavender is one of the easiest herbs for beginners, and it grows best when you leave it alone. It loves bright sunlight and dry soil. Overwatering is the #1 way people kill lavender. Its scent supports sleep, calms the nervous system, and reduces anxiety. One deep inhale can shift your entire mood. To grow lavender, choose a container with excellent drainage. Use potting mix and place it in the brightest spot you have. Harvest the stems before the flowers fully open. Dry them for long-lasting sleep support and calming tea blends. Lavender is low maintenance, fragrant, and a perfect herb for stress relief.